Morning. So a little over a month ago, I did a tutorial on how to grow sugarcane. And so I did it by the pit method, where I basically took 2 node segments of sugarcane, buried them in the ground about a ½ inch under the soil, and then watered them and let them do their thing. And I want to show you the results about a month and a half later. All right, so here's the first pit. Second pit's over there. So all around this, I have a few different species of clover. It's about a little over 2 feet tall. After about a month, a little over a month. I think it's been 5 weeks. And you can kind of see down here. It's interesting to see the way it comes up. Some of these already have pups, which actually surprised me. Like this guy here has a little pup coming up there. And I believe this one over here is a pup of this one here. And then there's, looks like 2 more pups coming out of this one. So it almost looks like this one has a pup and then this one grew a pup right away, if that's possible. So let's see how many I see here. About 17 sugarcane stalks. I think they're all spread out enough. I think they'll probably get about 2 inches wide, so it looks like they'll have enough room. And this is called the pit method. You kind of just literally dig a pit, put the sugarcane pieces in the pit, and then they hopefully will do this. And this is in Arizona, zone 9B, in case you're curious. So, middle of the Sonoran Desert. Perfect weather here though, for growing subtropical or tropical things. So I'm excited to see how well this does in the next couple months. I'll show you this other one. So, I did an experiment where this one I just watered normal, and this one I flood watered every other day. And it's not doing quite as well, and I actually had I pretty much had nothing happening, and so I rotated these pieces. Instead of leaving them under the ground, I just let the ends stick out. And they started sprouting once I let the ends out. So I realized that if you're going to flood water sugarcane, you might want to have a piece of the sugarcane sticking out. But if the soil dries out to an extent, it's okay to bury the entire thing. So if you've ever had failures with sugarcane, it might have been from overwatering or underwatering. You just have to make sure that the soil isn't underwater if you are going to bury it completely. If you're going to put it completely underwater, or if you're going to submerge the sugarcane underwater for most of the day, you want to have part of the cane sticking out of the soil. And I believe it's because the tissue in the sugarcane acts almost like a snorkel to get oxygen, but I don't really know. I just know that it didn't really grow until I had part of the cane, part of the original cutting sticking out of the soil. So yeah, this one only has 5 shoots coming up. And I had the same number of cuttings, same number of 2 node cuttings in each hole, just for reference. So I'm pretty excited to try sugarcane. I don't have a press, so I'll be doing some research on how to extract it. I've seen people just slice it up and boil it to get it out. I don't know if that's the most efficient way to get the sugar out of sugarcane, but just wanted to show that the method works. Thanks for watching.